my channel. The Dollar Tree in Rolla. If you watched the haul last night, you'll see it was like a long time. So this one is not quite as big, but I hadn't been to the one in town in quite a while. And I was watching, you know, when I scroll, forgive me, when I scroll through, occasionally I see a video of somebody I've subscribed to their channel and I actually get the opportunity to watch it. It's sort of a grand design. And occasionally I see something that I just have to have. And today it was Olivia from Olivia's Romantic Home. I think her haul was either from last night or this morning. Today is actually Tuesday, and her haul was either from last night or this morning, and she had some Halloween stuff that I had not seen or seen anybody haul or even seen on the website. So I was like, oh, I had to take mom running around to errands, so I ran into the Dollar Tree. And I will tell you that I don't have her items. She found mini Purells, pocket size, actual Purell brand. The other one, as you know, she's very sensitive to fragrance, and the other one, she just bother her fragrance, her nose. We actually found them in mint, which was pretty exciting, and then mandarin, which she said doesn't bother her. We also found a lavender one, but then she went and gave that to Jim because it did end up bothering her. Plus Purell wipes. So we got 3 pocket-sized Purells and 2 packages of Purell wipes. And that's what she has in there already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all the rest of the stuff that I got. And I was, first of all, super excited. And I know that Sarah Jane from Chic on the Cheap gifted me some velvet pumpkins, but this is the first time that I've seen them in the store, and they only had orange, and they had 4 orange, and I took 2 of them. You know, I'm absolutely in love with them, but what I'm excited about is I think I'm going to DIY them, and I like their size, and I'm sure when the DIYs come you'll see what I mean. But I picked up 2 of the orange velvet pumpkins. Oh, so soft. I also picked up these, which I thought were super cute. They're vase filler, and they had it in a variety of different looks. But this one, surprisingly, is with the Halloween stuff. It's not jack-o'-lanterns, it's just orange glittery pumpkins. And it looks like you get 12 in the pack, and actually it says 12. But they also had glittery skulls, and they're white. And if you know my dining room, I do all in skulls. Nobody eats in there. It's my Halloween room. And they also had them in like a gunmetal gray, I want to say. They're not quite black. They're kind of dark. They're not like a light gray. So they had those. You got 12 in each. So I picked up the gray and white skulls to go together, obviously. And then the pumpkins either going to be for autumn or for Halloween. If you watched the haul last night, you saw that I got all of the book boxes, and I mentioned that the one that says Casting Spells would be like my Harry Potter birthday party favor if I could afford it. But you also know that I bought like not one of each size. They didn't have any of the really large one, but my store did. This is from the Dollar Tree in Rolla. I'm sorry, I did get the last big one. And it just happened to be in my favorite book, which is the Casting Spells book with the looks like the elder one. I mean, if you watched Harry Potter movies, or if you've read the book, or you've seen a picture. So I picked up one more of these. Jim's gonna be excited about that. I only bought one of these, and I really kind of am regretting it right now, because I'll tell you, you guys know I am not so much a glittery person. I like it every once in a while, I like it as an accent, but it's sort of like I'm not a glittery person, just in general. I like it for 4th of July. I feel like fireworks and sparkles, and Christmas is like snow and sparkles, but the rest of the holidays, you know, I'd use it sparingly and sparsely. However, I really loved the fact, oh, that's got a boo on it. I didn't even notice it in the store. I really love the fact that it's outlined in the darker. I think it's orange glitter, but it really looks brown in person. And I really did like that. This is just the pumpkin placemat that they've had forever. And I think that's what they call them. Decor, actually. Just says Decor now. They used to say placemats, I feel like. And you know, I decorate my table with these different holidays just to stick under a charger or as a charger under the dinner plate. But I just really loved the dark accent with the outline. I don't know why. I just picked up one. They had other ones with the outline on it, with the accent on it. They had acorns and leaves and the pumpkins. So I picked up just one of those. This item I have not seen before, and you may have, and I'm sorry if you did and I didn't see it, and thank you for sharing with me even though I didn't get to pick it up. But if you're into the boho look or even the farmhouse look, because this could go both ways, they had these new rugs, and I'll show you this one first. Again, new to me. It says woven rug, and this beautiful, like, I'm gonna get it up close so you can see this beautiful woven, and then this beautiful, like, it's not really quite taupe, it's not gray enough to be taupe, but it's definitely a nice beige with this really cute tassel, and it to me is just totally boho chic. I'm sorry, it is. I think it could go with farmhouse for sure. The rugs are especially small, which is great if you have a small space, but they do make great wall hangings. I know that Melissa from 4 Quarter Crafts actually put one over a toy. She made a hanging, the toy that we did the family, it's sort of a quarter staff, it's really what it is, but you screw it together. And it looks like wood, and she did one of these projects with a different rug, but I thought that this would be absolutely perfect for that. If you hung it over something, if you notice when you fold the back to the front, it's like in reverse, you know, because it's woven. So this is like, you know, it just picks up a little bit different color. And you can also like hang it, and then you can put a wreath over it or anything. You can just use, I don't know. My mind was just, I saw them and my mind was like. And then the other one I picked up, you knew I was gonna get the black and white one, right? This is a black and white chevron print, again with white tassels. And again, if you wanted to fold over the top, you can see how cute that looks. And like I said, they're small for a rug, you know, for like if you think about it, but like in front of your kitchen sink or something. Let me get these glasses on, tell you exactly how long it is. If you just be patient, or you can fast forward. They're 16 by 24 inches is their official size, and that's probably including the tassels, but I'm not really sure. No, it might not be actually. So that is those two I picked up. I thought they were super cute. Lisa's probably gonna leave a comment that she wants the beige one, but you know, she can have it. What are best friends for? And the last bag has all new signs. I know. Is it possible that they have signs that I haven't seen before? Yeah, it is. As a matter of fact, there are still autumn signs, the black autumn signs that had like, they almost have the chalkboard look. I have not seen them anywhere. And don't send me any. Again, I like to, if Jesus wanted me to have it, it would be there when I had money. So I picked up some to use as decor and some as to DIY. So I think I bought two of, I only bought one of this one, so I'll show you that one next. But I bought two of almost all of them. So the first one that I bought, and it was the only one of its kind, and it was broken, so I kind of feel like, this doesn't sound weird, I always feel like responsible, like to not have it go in the landfill. And it probably would get marked down for 50 cents or whatever, but this was the only sign like this shape, and the actual 3-dimensional harvest blessings part was ripped off. And I said, well, that's not a huge deal to me because I would either paint over it or peel it off anyway. So I picked this one up, and again, it was the only one of its kind. But I will tell you, I don't know, I'm not 100% sure what I want to do. I will be honest with you, because it has no glitter on it, you know, I kind of feel like the glitter was on the harvest blessing part, and since they took it off, I'd only have to repair this little patch. Let's see. Well, anyway, I got that. And I picked up these, one to have and one to DIY with in the future. It says, come in for a spell. It has a gorgeous font, a witch's hat, a witch's broom, just a touch of orange, on this beautiful shiplap looking farmhouse. It's actually paneling. I think shiplap goes left and right, paneling goes up and down, but whatever. Barn boards, whatever you want to call them. But it's got this beautiful barred look in the back, and of course the bottom is etched and the top is etched, cut out like it's actual wood. So if you can, if you wanted to DIY it, I will tell you though, and I don't know if this was a mistake on purpose, like you know, but the lines don't line up like the wood on the top. They do. If you notice that each one of these coincides with a board, but on the bottom it's like, I don't know what's happening back there. Like they missed this one right here. So I picked up 2 of those. I picked up 2. I was ecstatic, over the moon. I'll stop talking. I have been wanting these since June. I feel like their autumn stuff came out on their website in June. I can go back and look. Actually, what I'll do is I'll try to remember to put the date down here because I have screen grabs. What I do is I go to the website and I screen grab things that I want to find in the store, and I'll look at when I screen grabbed this. But this is a beautiful sized pumpkin, and it says thankful and blessed, and it is in, the pumpkin is in orange, and it's actually got the detail, like the highlighting, and this is a beautiful like white with very, very, very light touches of glitter, and it's iridescent glitter too, so it's not even like overpowering gold or silver. It still has a very muted feel, and then it's got a metal leaf and raffia. I don't know what it is about the raffia, just everybody loves it. So I picked up 2 of those, and again, one to have and one to DIY because I love this as it is, but the size of the pumpkin sign, I just couldn't pass it up, and because I didn't get any of those other ones, weren't available at my store. So I picked up this sign, which is new to me this year, or new this year in general. It is really cute. It looks like it's boards. It says Happy Halloween, which is beware, and next to beware is a 3-dimensional skull with the bottom jaw missing. Details, all about the details. Spooky, this says boo, this says creepy, this says haunted, and there is glitter on the Happy Halloween, the beware, the boo, and the creepy, but there's no glitter on the black ones. So I just thought that was OMG cute, and I won't be DIYing this. If you're new to my channel and if you're new to my channel, have a Halloween playlist marathon, because I have Halloween tours, and I think every year, I might have skipped one year, I'll have to go back and look, but I decorate for every holiday. There's only like 2 weeks where my house is decorated with no decorations throughout the whole year, and I decorate for each holiday, but I don't put up every holiday tour every year. But I think I've done a Halloween tour every year. That's what I'm trying to say to you. I don't think I've even done a Christmas tour every year, but I think I've done a Halloween tour every year. But I'm not 100% sure that's true. But this, what I'm going to show you next, is what got me dressed and got me out of the house this morning. Because I would have driven Mom to the Walmart in my pajamas. My nightgowns look like house dresses. I don't care. But I had to put on clothes because I was going into the Walmart. Sarah Jane, I found them. This is what Olivia had on her channel. Actually, it's really funny because she was showing something in front of it at first, and I was like, "What? Where did she get that?" And then she ended up pulling it out and showing it. Go watch her channel. I'm gonna link it in the description box down below, so you guys can see how excited I was. Really, you won't be able to see, but you know what I mean. But you'll see, like, she was showing something in the foreground, and I was like, "But wait, where'd she get that sign in the background?" Anyhow. There's not even words need to be said at this point, to be honest with you. The only thing, like if it had a jute cord instead of a black ribbon, maybe. But I absolutely love this one. Once again, every one is not glittered, which is great. I'll tell you what it says. It says trick or treat, no glitter with dead trees. It says happy haunting in orange with a little orange lantern. Then it says haunted houses with black pumpkins on both sides. This one is my, I'll tell you why, Jack-o'-lantern. The O is actually a little galvanized metal pumpkin. if you've seen anything I've done on this channel since day one, you will appreciate that. This one says toil and trouble, which of course any witch thing, but it always reminds me of the Sanderson sisters. This one says cobwebs, and it has cobwebs. And this one says black cat, and it actually has a little black cat on it, and it says it in orange. I love its simplicity. I love the white background. I love that it's almost entirely black and white with just touches of orange, with just touches of glitter. So of course I picked up two, and I don't know that I'll DIY one. Unless I want to steal the jack-o'-lantern, like, possibly for another DIY, but I don't know, I just might, I don't know. So that is what got me out of bed this morning. So that's everything from the Dollar Tree today. Like I said, Mom got 3 Purell hand sanitizers and 2 Purell hand wipes. And they have travel sizes, which is what she was looking for. She, like I mentioned before, she needs Purell. So that's it. I know. I agree. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family. Anybody who might be interested in seeing what I picked up today at Walmart in Rolla on Tuesday, August 2019. Oh gosh. And as always, you guys take care. God bless. And we'll see you next time. Bye.